the square of a number. For this, what is required? I have given here the sum squares of a number, that it is help in calculating the square of a number also. So it is required. By using expanded rule and distributive property of multiplication of an integer to find the square of a number. Now let's start. I have written here, find the square of the 48 and 39 numbers without actual multiplication. We know, we have learnt in class 5, 4, 6, whatever that. Given number is 48. We expand it 40 plus 8. 48 can be written as, after expanding, 40 plus 8 whole square. Whole square means 2 times we will write. Here I have written 40 plus 8 bracket close. In bracket I have written Rathnus. Bracket is also called a small bracket. And again I have written 40 plus 8 in bracket. Using the distributive property I have here written, and above I have written how to expand. That first we write 40, then second term, second 40 plus 8 plus 8 is here, 8 also right here, and again copy this one below. After computing, you get here 40 into 40 according to distributive law. 40 into 8 I have written here. Again here is a plus, so here we write plus. 80 into 40 I have written here. Again 8 into 8 I have written here. You know, we multiply 4 into 4, we get 16, and here is double 0, so we put double 0. 4 8 is 32, I have written 32, 1 0 containing by this one, so I have put it 1 0. Same as here 8 into 40, also get same value of 40 into 8, that is 320, plus 64, 8 8 is 64. After adding it, first of all you see 1664 I have taken, and here is 640, we get 2304. So thus, or therefore, 48 square equal to 2304. Is clear? Then second number I have taken 39. I also use this one. 39 I expanded 30 plus 9. Very good. And then write 2 times here. 30 plus 9 in bracket, 30 plus 9 in bracket. This bracket, between that it is multiplication. Okay. Now first I have written here 30. Then this expression I have written here. You can say that it is a term. Again I have written here this one 9, and again second term I have written. I have used a different color for that. Then after calculating, we get 30 into 30, I have written here. 30 into 9, here. Again plus 9 into 30, that is here. 9 into 9 is here. Then 30, 30, we know 900, above the data I have given. So I advise to all of you, up to 30 number you must be remember it, square of 1 to 30 numbers. So it easy to calculate it. Then 30 into 9, that it's become 270. 9 into 30 becomes 270. Then 9 9 is 81. After computing it, 900 plus 81 I have written here, and 270 and 270 it's become 540. Add it, we get 1521. That means 39 square equal to 1521. According to some author of the mathematics books, it is also this method called as like visual method, you can say that. Then there is requirement of that, like they draw the rectangle such type and write the value, isn't it, such type. So it is also visual method, and here in this method they use the identities, that is a plus b whole square, isn't it? But we are doing with the help of the expanded form and the distributive property. So both we can say that it is also a visual method when we will use the identities. Okay. Now second method we can take such type. 48 we can take as like 50 minus 2, and 50 minus 2 also it can be written as like, it is also written as like, and after computing we get this one, then this one, 552 500 2500, and 100 plus 100 it's become 200. Also here using integer property, you know very well, but I am introducing you here. 2500 minus 200 I have direct done, but it is not following the Thomas rule. So we can do also 2504 minus 200, we get 2304. 48 square equal to 1304. Very good. Again we can do 39. Take as 40. 40 minus 1 is now, that is 39, and its power 2, and it's 2 times right. We will write 2 times. So I have written here, and doing as above we get this expression. Now that it's become 40 into 40, 40, 40 into 1, 40, 1 into 40, 40, minus, plus, minus, 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 plus. So 4 4 is 60, and 0 2 0 put here. After 16 we get 1600. 40 plus 40 we know it's very easy, 80, and 1 is here. After computing it, 1600 minus 80, 1520 plus 1, we get 1521. Now we have got that 39 square equal to 1520. In both cases we have done. Now how to use the base to calculate the square of a number. Then what should we do? No, find the square of a 9, then base, isn't it? For the number 9. Find the nearest power of 10 as the base. In this case, it is 10. Very good. So, we can write 9 is less than 10 by 1. So, we can write 10 minus 1. So, we can write 9 equal to 10 minus 1. Very good. Let's see, make a 2 column here. Okay. Here is 10 minus 1. We get 9. Very good. Square the efficiency 1. That means 1 is less than. So 1 square equal to, here we write 1 in the right hand side. And minus 1 from 9. What we write here? 81. Therefore, 9 square equal to 81. It's very easy. It is, I have taken 10 as a base. Now let's see. Let me again explain it. 9 is less than 1. So we can square the 1 and write here. And again subtract 1 from 9. Write here 8. Then 9 square equal to 81. Very good. Then next we can take find the square of 70. It's clear. Sir, 17 nearest power of 10 as the base is 10. Okay. 17, 7 more than 10. It's clear. And base is what? We have taken base 10. Okay. Again draw that line. Then 7 plus 7 7 ja 49. Very good. We are taking base 10. So in the right hand side only one digit we will keep. 4 is your balance. Okay. Now minus, what we will minus here? Can you tell me? No, sir. This is 7 is a surplus, so we have written 49. And what is we have taken 10 as a base. Very good, sir. Then 7 more. So 17 plus 7. It is surplus, no. We write here 28. Clear? Now, so what would be our square? What would be square? Can you tell? 17 square equal to 289. No, very well. 289. Okay. So, what should we write here? Sir, where is my... Yep. Okay, okay. Sir, 7 and 17 and 7, we get 24. So, we write 24 and place it here 4. What we get again? We get again 28. Here is 9. One digit because our base is 10. It containing 0, 1. 1 0 containing by 10. So therefore we can write 17 square. Therefore 17 square equal to 289. It is for base 10. Now take base as a 100. Take base as a 100. For this, suppose find the square of 97. For the number 97, find the nearest power of 10 as a base. It is 100. Base is 100. We are taking 100. So see here, how many less 97 from 100? 3. 3 less. Okay. Put 2 here. We are taking 100 base, so here is 20. We can write 3 square is what? Here is 0. Okay. Now next 97. Then second step 90. We reduce 3 from 97. What you get? 9, 4. It would be square of 94 is 94. You see here. Then sorry, 97. 97 square equal to 9409. In speed, when you see it, strike in your mind, we have a 97. We are going to find the 97 square. So what should we do? 3, you can write 9 here. Minus 3 from 97, we write here. In a 1 second, we can find it. Isn't it? It is the less than 100. When it is plus, that means surplus. Suppose we have find the square of 103. 103, 3 greater than 3, 3 more than 100, that is 100 plus 3. Okay, so we will do square of 3 and put such type of the two part. First is the, here is the, it can be RHS, it is RHS, it is LHS, we can write 3 square as per the rule. Base, we have base 100, so 20 content we write here 20 as like 09. Now how many more? 3, so we add 3 here. What do we get? 106, so we will write here 106. It's clear? So R square of 103 equal to 10609. After more practice we can do in a second. Let's see now. 103 square equal to 09 and 3, 106. For instance, another number 105 square, it will be 5, 25 and 105 and 5, it is 110. It is good trick. It is very useful in competition, and I hope that you all of you understand this one. And second things I want to make you understand. We said above that we have identities a plus b whole square. Somewhere it is written that you find the square of the given number by using the identities a plus b whole square. So you know that a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you using expanded form, no, and using the distributive property, this identity we get. Suppose in this question, in this method, that is also called a column method, you can say, a equal to, suppose we have a number, find the square of, any number you can say. Yes, we are going to find the square of 99. So it is done by this method, but how we will use these identities and get. Okay, let's start here. Here a equal to 9 and b equal to 9. Very good. It's clear. Here is a square. So a plus b whole square. That means what we should write. For that, a take as a 9. So we can write here 99 square equal to as like 9 square plus 2 into 9 plus into 9 plus 9 square. It's become 81 plus It is 2 into 81 plus 81. Correct. Okay. Again, you do this one. 81 here plus 2 1 are 2 and 8 2 are 60 plus 81. Okay. Now, yes, we will take this one. We will take this one. We will take all. So, you see here 8 is surplus according to the rule. It goes here. So, we have 1. Here is a 162 or 8. That becomes 170 at 0. 17 will goes here. Then 718 it goes here. That means 17 equal to plus 7 plus 1 8, 8 was plus 9. Then after that we can write here 9801. This is using identities, but I think that this method other than this one, very easy, this method to find instantly the square of the number. Clear? Sir, when we have right here, suppose that 301. So how it will find? Okay. Dear student, we are going to find the square of 3. So 301 is larger than the nearest of 10. Larger than nearest of 100. Sorry, nearest of 100. Actual base is 100. Its actual base. Its actual base equal to 100, but working base is what? Working base equal to 300. Clear? It get by the multiplying the base by 3, 300. 301 surplus by 300. 301 surplus by 1. Very good. So we further increase it by 1 to make it 302. So we will write surplus it. We have a 301 and plus 1 here. We get 302. Very good. Okay. Now then and square of 1, that is 1. Very good. Now the complete answer we have 30201. We can write this one, combined it, remove it, this one we can conclude it, we have a 3201. But we multiplied the actual base by 3. But we multiply the actual base by 3 to get the working base. To get the working base. We multiply 302 by 3, multiply 302 by 3 and 0 1 keep same. Okay, so now what we get, multiplying by this one, we get here 3 2 are 6, 300, 339, and here I have written keep same 0 1. So we will write here 0 1. Okay, so dear learners, the square of 301 square equal to 90601. We can take another example such that we can take 201, make it as per the above explanation. Our base is 100, then actual base equal to 100 and working base we will make multiply by 2 and actual base we get 200. Very good. Now after that, in the do that like, you know, our hand is left hand side, this one left hand side, this one right hand side. So here is 1 more than 200, so we will do the square. That means it is 1 square equal to that, and we have 2 zeros, so we will put 2 digit here with 0 and 1. Now after that, we add 1 in the 1 to the 201, we get 202. Is clear? It is implies that after removing this one, we get 20201. Okay, it has two parts. It is one part, it is two part. Okay, but as we multiplied the actual base by 2 to get the working base, we have done here working base. So left hand side, then part 2 we will multiply by 2 and part 1 keep as it is. We get the square of 201. You see 201 square is equal to 202 into 2, as like you put it as like 0 1 bar, give the bar. Okay, it is a first part, it is a second part. First part we can keep as it is. You can write here 404, part 2 is 4, become 404 by multiplying by 2, because we have done working base multiplying by 2, and here is 0 1. So our answer would be 40401. Such type you can do. You get the square of the 200, that is 3 digit. By the base of the